It has been a while since we have vlogged a park day fully. It is Easter, and we are walking into Magic Kingdom. Well, or not Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom. And we're not even walking in. We're in the parking lot still. It's hot.
Could be hotter. It will be hotter.
It's 80 degrees, and it's like 10 a.m.
But there's a breeze. So
There's a breeze. We are gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do.
The safari.
Safari.
Eat that
Ice cream sandwich. And the
carrot cake thing.
Yeah, the sundae.
And Christian has requested the arepa.
Yeah. So that's probably, maybe we'll see some other animals.
Yep.
See what we get into.
Happy Easters!
There's mom and baby out there.
I wonder if giraffes are soft.
Kind of like human fingerprints, no two are the same. All of their stripes are unique to them, which I think is really cool and special. As you can see, the wildebeest, or the zebras, like the wildebeest, are natural grazers, so they too will help to keep that grass cut short.
Yes, they look soft. Giraffe.
Oh, two more over here. Oh, three more. Another tower of giraffes there. Look at that. Look at this one. She's seen Lion King. Rafiki is a mandrill. Mandrills are known for their colorful faces.
Goodbye.
The males. That's why I always like to tell people are filter feeders with tiny little brine shrimp. Oh, look at the elephants out there. I always like to say a little fun fact. The island that the flamingos are hanging out on, it's a hidden Mickey. Can you see it?
Yes.
Oh, it sounds like I'm at the beach. Alright, it does look like we're headed into town, so double the size. White rhinos are also more social than some of the other rhino species. A group of rhinos is called a crash, and a crash can be anywhere from 10 to 15 rhinos. Also on your left there, that's that mud wallow I was talking about. Rhino.
Right. See a Christian.
Cheetahs are the fastest land
I
animals
know.
to help keep them stable while making those sharp turns. Oh, there's two of them out there.
Cheetah.
Hi, kitty.
And unlike your house cats or domesticated cats, cheetahs have non-retractable claws, meaning they can't pull their claws in and out. Their claws just stay out.
But they do meow.
Stay out there. I do see some Kopi rocks up ahead. Looks like a Kopi rock. Tell it's a male because the males have manes while females do not. Females are also going to do the majority of the hunting as well.
Around.
Yeah, very good. Oh, look at that scratchy. Oh, thank you for that. Y'all wanted to see that?
When you gotta go, you gotta go.
Yeah, man. He's very right on, dog. Yeah, he's been pretty active today. Haven't seen him napping yet.
Oh, he went up on the rocks.
I want to see him jump up there.
Come on.
No? Oh, look at his little tail.
What are you doing, kitty?
Oh. Why? Now we can assume that both of those ostriches there are females, as the females have more gray in their feathers than the males. Alright, there we go. Please stay over there, be good. Oh, and some more rhinos over here. It looks like a crash of rhinos up here.
Bye, birdies.
They are on the move. No, stay over there. We gotta go.
Bye.
Some ostrich eggs over on your right. Look at that. Provide milk for the farmers as well, so they are very helpful. Aren't they so cute? Sunshine for them too. As we are getting ready to leave the reserve here, unfortunately, our safari journey is coming to an end. I will be dropping you back off with the warden in a few.
Oh.
dudes. Or ladies. Little tamarins.
Can I help you? Why are you all up in my business? Oh, it's so... They have such a long tail. Good for balance. For balance. I get it.
Cream sandwich. It's the cookie brownie ice cream sandwich thing. And the line was not actually that long when Daddy got in. And this is the... Is it still a pass holder or just an everybody?
They said, I just told them they didn't look for my annual pass, so.
I know, but it's on the menu as the...
Yep.
Their dad is very sweet, very gentle. He's great. And the kids are just great.
How's the ice cream sandwich?
I'll try the ice cream.
It's got cookie dough and brownie and stuff. How's the sundae?
Dad is spending some time by himself over there. They're both really long time. Yeah, the little big sweet.
Another one.
Nebraska last night.
Weird. Cool. It's a tortoise. Huh?
I asked Lady Pig's having cookie.
Probably.
What is it?
It's a tortoise. Eating some apples and carrots and lettuce,
Turtle.
spinach, and some tortoise-like pellets, I guess. Okay, we got the, what are they?
They're the pulled pork and cheese arepas.
From Smiling Crocodile.
Yeah.
We've had them a couple times now. I don't remember if we vlogged either time.
I don't know.
Is it good? That's what happens when you don't vlog the parks for a while because you had a lot of content and now we're running out of content. It's hot. I don't like it. A duck. So,
Under the shade of that tree.
oh, fancy.
I got 2 of them just because it's easier. Kids get half, we get half.
Ooh, this one's swirly.
That is a swirly plantain. Something fun again, Mommy Duck. are done with Animal Kingdom for the day. Did you guys have a good time? Good few hours?
It was a good, quick trip.
We did what we came to do, which was really just to eat those 2 ice cream things. So yeah. Cool. So we're gonna walk back to the car where it's really hot outside and it's probably really hot in the car. I don't know when we're coming to the parks next because next weekend we will be in Pittsburgh, which will actually be the week before this is posted. But it's not too hard when all we have to do is make a park pass and drive an hour. Or we can drive an hour and then make a park pass.
It's true, we did that once.
We did that at Epcot. So next time we'll probably be for Flower and Garden Festival again. But I don't know if we're gonna vlog that because we did the gardens and stuff and that's about it. So,
Can I say something?
yeah.
If you ever go on a Disney cruise, look for the faces in the walls.
There's faces in the walls?
Yeah, the plugs. They look kind of like faces.
Okay, yeah. Okay, cool.